Hi, y'all, and welcome back to my vendor market prep series. We have been going for about 5 weeks. So we have got about 12 weeks, 11 and a half weeks to go before market. And if you've watched my last video, you know that the plan for this weekend was to get covered in sawdust and do some DIY, some painting, some custom displays, see what we were going to do for the table because I've been buying some things. But, well, Mother Nature had other plans. It's pouring and no signs of letting up. It's been going for hours. So working outside is a no-go. So I'm here in my husband's shop because the grind doesn't stop. So instead of building, we're unboxing. So all the things that I purchased are here in my husband's shop. And I brought them inside. I haven't opened the boxes from Amazon. You know, I got a couple of crates from Michael's. So I was going to stain those, but we'll do that another time. We still got time to do that. But I've got baskets and I've got little containers and this and that I pulled out of my home and in my craft area. And so I'm going to bring all that in once I look at all the packages, because I really do want to see if everything is up to par as described on the site. So that's what we're going to do. And then even more importantly, it's kind of warm in here. I apologize. Kind of sweating. We're going to do a mock setup, and this wasn't the original plan, but this might be even more valuable. So let's see what we've got. So join me at the table. It's like Christmas morning here for market vendors. I have boxes from Amazon that I bought last week. You know, when we were doing the video, I was doing the video and I was sourcing the materials and displays. I did my online shopping and did get some things from Amazon, and those packages are in, and I have not opened them. And remember, I did get 4 unfinished crates from Michael's. So this is going to be the moment of truth where we see if the things that looked perfect on the website actually match the modern, cozy vibe that I'm going for. So first up are these greeting card riser shelves. They came in a set of 2, so I ordered 2 sets. I'm going to have a total of 4 units. I have about 20 sets of different greeting cards, so I have to decide if I am going to display all of them and offer them. All different 20 different kinds, or if I'm going to pare that down a bit and not offer as many. I know I'll offer my Christmas card ones, my holiday and seasonal ones, so we'll see what I decide there. But I'm hoping that these will, because they are tiered, and it will help give some height on the table that's so needed. So next we have some smaller acrylic stands for individual scrapbooks. They are actually closet organizers for purses, but the upright dividers can be adjusted to accommodate the width of each book and act kind of like individual bookends for each book. So the goal with these were to find pieces that look professional and elevated, but are also super simple and don't distract from the actual products. So seeing them together, I'm feeling really good about the direction that this is heading. So I also ordered 2 pink fitted tablecloths to go on the 2 tables I'm going to have, and they drape to the ground. And my logo colors are pink and sage green. So for some layered decor and a bit of texture, I also ordered a couple of sage green table runners. So that will be my pink and green. And then I have table banners and a backdrop banner to display my logo. So that now that everything is out and it's packaging, let's clear some space and set up one of the tables. So this is where the blueprint becomes reality. Yikes. So this is why a test run is so crucial. I'm setting up one of my 6-foot tables here in the workshop to see how these new displays actually work together. I've put them together, and I'm starting by placing the largest pieces first. The wooden crates go toward the bag to create a backdrop and draw the eye upward. And then I'm layering in the smaller acrylic stands, some baskets and other containers, and then I will be purchasing some as I go along as I know dimensions of things that I'm creating and get containers that will work for them on the table. This impromptu setup session has taken the guesswork out of the equations. I now know that everything fits and it's easy to assemble, and it creates the visual interest I was hoping for. Well, the weather may have ruined our DIY plans, but I think this was the most productive plan B we could have asked for. We've unboxed all our core displays, and more importantly, we've done a kind of a trial run through of a table setup. So seeing it all laid out like this in the workshop makes the whole vision starts to feel more real and achievable. It really has helped calm my nerves, like I said. So it's a huge confidence boost. Now I know exactly the custom pieces I need, and I know I still need to stain and build and purchase a few things and fill in the gaps to complete the entire look. So join me in the next video, weather permitting. I swear, I think we've got a monsoon season now here, because it has been a crazy wet summer the past month. But we will tackle those DIY projects. So make sure you like and subscribe. You know what to do, and don't miss it. And as always, thanks for watching.